here was where they held their meeting.
McLean Hall.
Here was their meeting room for British. It was named after their governor, the one who went down there, Captain George McLean. So you call this room McLean's Hall.
McLean's Hall.
McLean.
McLean?
Yeah, the one who is very down there.
McLean.
McLean. George McLean. McLean. George McLean Hall. And then, as I said earlier, all the paintings here are for sale. The gentleman here is a painter. So he's going to tell us the prices of the books, and then if you want to purchase one or two.
Then continue. I printed all of them. 10 CDs here on the table, 10 Ghana CDs, 20 Ghana CDs. T-shirt is also 20 CDs. T-shirt is bought by machine or by hand. 10 CDs here. Very unique kind of paintings. Very talented. Acrylic.
All right, Tenerico, are you ready to get your shop on?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So how much of these are you buying?
One.
Just one? Why don't you buy one for every member of your family?
They don't want this. This is my birthday.
You're buying yourself a birthday present?
Yeah. Thank you.
So how many t-shirts are you buying today?
Okay.
Yeah, how many t-shirts are you buying?
Okay.
Oh, this one right here? So you're buying one for different members of your family? So you're buying 2 t-shirts?
Yeah.
Why don't you get one of each color? Why don't you get a black one? You got white, you got green. All right, Cheryl, are you looking to shop, buy any painting or any shirts?
That I saw coming in the middle.
Dashiki collection.